Hello, welcome to Bali. Welcome. Ah, yeah, you're right.
Yes, we do watch you.
Ah, how you know me?
We watch you every day.
Oh, thank you very much for watching my video.
Oh, what's that? Yeah.
Yeah, this is Padma Street, and today I will show you how they're searching at the moment on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane. Yeah, quite busy in this area, isn't it? They're just really good. See that?
ATM 350 and so did I.
Let's cross the street first. Yeah, lots of people, they were waiting to watching the soccer.
That's better. That'll be gone in a minute.
IFL and Narelle. Quite busy down there, isn't it? That's good. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how they are fashioned at the moment in Legian Bali on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane. Okay guys, so if you want to know how they're fashioned right there at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Yeah, busy down there. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, all we are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how they're fashioned at the moment in Legian Bali on Sahadewa Street. So let's see together how busy down there today. And our journey today start from the north part on Sahadewa Street until to the south part. And maybe I also will update the situation at the moment on Melasti Street. So let's see together how busy in this area today. Hello.
Hello.
Sorry brother. Sorry sister. Yeah, actually I already quite a long time I don't update in this area by walking, but today I will make video by walk on Legian Street or Sahadewa Street. Did you see that? A lot of trees down there. They're just really good. Quite busy, isn't it? And as we know together, Garlic Lane is very famous for a shopping area actually. But I think around this time there is a lot of tourists. They go to the sport bar to watch the soccer. I just update the station on Padma Street, but now I will make video on Legian area on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane. I think it's gonna be busy at sport bar today. Yeah, this is hotel and villa. That's good. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Legian Bali on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Did I mind? Hello my sister.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Assalamualaikum.
Where you going now? Modena. As you go.
How are you?
Good.
Freedom mo jaga na.
The beach, nice. No.
We're gonna have dinner to watch State of Origin.
Blues.
Blues.
My shirt.
Yeah, also a few tourists right there at the right side. At the Sato studio also. Just quite busy. That's good. in the restaurant, local restaurant. Yeah, the local not so busy yet. Maybe we'll be busy very soon. Oh, sorry kek.
Lapit siya ka. Lapit na.
Yeah, I think there is a lot of tourists. I'll go to the sport bar today to see the sport bar competition. This is like soccer time. Yeah, Fitri down there. It's good. Also in the restaurant, Fitri down there. It's good. Not so many people shopping yet. But you see on the right side, a lot of tourists down there waiting for the soccer time. Wow, yeah, busy down there. Hello, hello. 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 Yeah, they're waiting for Shoka. That's good. Just quite busy down there. This is Chubby Rabbit. Hello, brother. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali, brother. Hello, how are you? Yeah, this is Billy's 69 Sport Bar. Not really busy this part. The shop was quiet because a lot of people they go to the sport bar at the moment. The market not really busy. Let's cross the street. Yeah, but still so many cars down there. Not really busy. Let's cross the street. Okay guys, just make sure to watch the video until the end, because as I told you, I also will update the session at the moment on Melasti Street. Yeah, as I told you, it's not really busy because maybe so many people they are go to the sport bar. Rame ke? Alhamdulillah. Bali travel vlog. Yes, at the front there's a lot of maybe like school holiday at the moment, and I already make video like a secret market in Patma area, just right there. Actually, there's a secret market down there. Hello, welcome to Bali. Cool. Good brother, good boy. This is, you see, new building is coming soon. Almost done. That's good. Hi brother. Good day brother. Good mate, bloody good. Hello, welcome to Bali. Welcome. Yeah, you're right.
Yes, we do watch you.
How you know me?
We watch you every day.
Oh, thank you very much for watching my video.
Oh, good man.
It's gonna be uploaded tomorrow.
Sweet.
Have a good day. Thank you. Yeah, they're watching my video. Just amazing. Hello, welcome to Bali. Yeah, as I told you, this is almost done. Yeah, we'll open very soon. That's good. They know me. Bali travel vlog. They're just good. Okay, guys. So this is the situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Sahadewa Street or Garlic Lane. And now I will continue walking on Melasti Street. So let's see together how busy in this area today. Hello, hello, mana mbaknya? Sorry, brother. Sorry, say again. For YouTube.
What's the name?
ACHONK Bali travel vlog.
Follow you.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much, brother.
So you walking around everywhere.
Thank you very much. You know me also. That's good. Yeah, left side is the good. Quite busy down there. That's good. So many people, even the second floor. Lots of people down there. That's good. Okay. Now I will show you Melasti Street. Start from the west part until to the east part.
The game's about to start, right? Hey, mate, just drop my name.
Big music. Okay, brother. Thank you, yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah, actually now we are exactly at the front Legian Art Market. Left side is Legian Art Market. Yeah, now I will cross the street. Whew. Hello. The good sport bar.
Come on, right, the game starts.
Hi, boss. Wow, quite busy. That's good. Hello, welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali, brother. Give me 5. Give me 5, brother. Give me 5. Enjoy your holiday, brother. Yeah, they are really happy. That's good. Wow, that's good. You see the building? It is really almost done. Will be open soon. So fast and so quick. They're just really good. Oh wow. Welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali, brother. Give me 5. Go, bro. Yeah, you turn right. There's the way to go to Melasti Street. And actually I already made video on Melasti Street few weeks ago. Yeah, I can imagine this new building will starting soon, very soon. That's good. Ooh. Magani. The clean will stay here. I miss you clean. Let's play golf together. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Sahadewa Street, Garlic Lane, and also on Melasti Street. So what do you think? Quite busy, isn't it? Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Sahadewa Street, Garlic Lane, and also Melasti Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video. and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hello, how are you? Yeah, now I cross the street. Woo. Almost done, almost done.